Welcome to a GrabCAD Print Pro tutorial. The 3D Array tool allows you to increase throughput and machine utilization by creating multi-layer arrays in X, Y, and Z axes. This powerful feature allows you to generate multiple copies with adjustable spacing for optimal packing density. Visualize build volume usage with color-coded part placement. Green here means on the platform, yellow was just outside. Adjust spacing between the axes as needed. Select Create Array to create the part copies. Notice the array is joined on the left-hand side. Dissolving the array will scatter the parts across the platform. Parts can also be arrayed in Z. Based on the part's geometry, spacing may need to be adjusted. Here we see the 2 mm spacing gives too much space in between these two parts. A negative spacing is needed for this example. You can use the measurement tool to check the spacing between such models. If the spacing is adequate for supports, you're ready to move on to the next step for creating a 3D or Z stack on the origin platform. See the other Pro tutorial on how to best create a Z stack. When using the Array tool, it is suggested to use STL files. Here we're going to demonstrate the same task with a step file. Notice as the array is created using the step file, when we begin to rotate and navigate around the part, that our RAM usage on the computer is much greater. Our graphics have slowed considerably just by creating an array with the step file. If I have two parts that I would like to nest to array, it does not allow me to do so with two separate models. Notice as I try to do that, they do not appear. Here we have created a combined file of the two orientations. Now with this part, we can change direction and create the array desired for a more nested build. Once I create the array, part spacing will stay locked in and parts can be adjusted as necessary.